just like factory. We have the open and close that the Z06 and the Corvettes feature and many of the other GM vehicles feature. So what we've actually done is we've created a new category for head units. And how this works is we actually replace the screen and utilize all of the factory controls just like it was the factory radio. But now we have our better, higher quality, higher performance, and more features packed into this new direct replacement category. So essentially how it works is we have Apex provided by ADS, the Maestro company, as we also use a Maestro module to flash and incorporate all the features and retain all the controls, functions, and features that the vehicle had originally. And we do some extended features, of course, because Maestro is a very powerful adapter that we have at our fingertips. Now, the screen mounts in factory locations using the Apex kit tooling, which is basically brackets, and we use our harnesses and connect to the Maestro module, and that gets flashed and connects to the brain, which is actually in this car wired with an extension and put underneath that footwell. You can't see where it is. It's a very small singled-in style chassis with about 3.5 inches thick, and it's where all the connections are made and what actually operates the receiver. Now, this is a complete departure from what we're normally accustomed to in automotive car stereos. Normally you'd see a doubled-in chassis or a singled-in chassis, which is basically a large brick, right? And it's got to fit inside this hole. Well, if we were to do that, we would actually lose all these features and we'd have to replace the dash panel itself, which is how the industry works now. But with this new direct replacement system, we actually just use the stock system and replace the screen and what controls the performance of the factory audio. So it's a completely revolutionary way to do things. And frankly speaking, there's a lot of cars that don't offer great options for parts to even accommodate doing that in the first place. And we're actually going to be able to do some of these vehicles out there that nobody could replace the radio in. So it's very exciting stuff.
No, thank you, Marcus. I do appreciate it. And thank you for taking the time for showing us today.